This movie is actually really good.
Yeah, it's kind of sad.
Sad? Nothing even happened yet.
You can tell it's going to be sad.
You always say that.
And I'm usually right.
Just watch the movie.
I am watching.
Then why are you on your phone?
I'm checking something quickly.
You said that earlier too.
I can multitask.
You missed the last scene.
What happened?
Exactly.
Just tell me.
No, watch it properly.
Now I'm confused.
You did that to yourself.
Wow, very supportive.
Are you coming to sleep?
Yeah, in a minute.
You've been saying that.
I just need to finish this.
You've been scrolling for 10 minutes.
It's relaxing.
The light is too bright.
Close your eyes.
I am closing them.
Then what's the problem?
I can still see the light.
You're being dramatic.
I'm trying to sleep.
Okay, I'll turn it off soon.
You said that already.
Just 5 more minutes.
That never means 5.
It does today.
I don't believe that.
You'll survive.
What do you think of this?
Yeah, it looks nice.
You didn't even look properly.
I did look.
You glanced.
Okay, it looks really nice.
Now it sounds fake.
What do you want me to say?
Be honest.
It's good, just not my favorite.
What's wrong with it?
Nothing's wrong. It's just,
Just what?
I like the other one more.
You said that about the last one too.
Because I like that one.
So you don't like this.
I didn't say that.
You kind of did.
I'm trying to survive this conversation.